Cats can land on their feet, even in zero gravity. On Earth, cats have an incredible ability to always land on their feet thanks to their riding reflex. This reflex allows them to twist their bodies in mid-air, using their flexible spine and lack of a collarbone to reorient themselves. When a cat falls, it first rotates its head to face downward, then twists its spine, and finally aligns its legs to prepare for landing. This entire process happens in just a fraction of a second. But even in zero gravity, cats still try to right themselves. NASA experiments showed that cats instinctively attempt to land on their feet, demonstrating their amazing adaptability. Which is how we know that,